Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make one of my favorite protein snacks, and this is an incredible snack to go along with your Herbalife weight loss plan when you're doing the 2 shakes, 1 snack, 1 meal. This is a wonderful snack to have, and if you like, from your childhood days or maybe from yesterday, those Red Tootsie Pops, that's exactly what this is going to taste like. Now to make this today, what we're going to use is our wild berry flavored protein beverage mix, and we're going to use our chocolate flavored protein drink mix. I know, sounds like a crazy combo, but stay with me. We're also going to make this just in our regular shaker cup, so it's quick and easy. This is an amazing snack to have if you're out and about and on the go. It packs so easy. All you have to do is put your powders in like a Ziploc bag or in a little Rubbermaid container. Drop it in here and carry it with you, and then when it's time for your snack, all you need to find is some cold water and you're good to go. And this snack, depending on how you make it, now you want to remember to know your protein numbers, is going to have anywhere between 22.5 to 30 grams of hunger stopping protein. It's only 125 calories, maximum 180, again depending on how many scoops of your protein drink mix you use, and that's going to depend on what your protein number is. There's a link in the description with this video where you can find out easily and quickly what your protein number is, and it's super low glycemic, no sugars, quick and easy, like I said, for on-the-go living. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with putting, as always, our water in the bottom of our shaker cup, and I have cold water out of the refrigerator, somewhere between 10 and 12 ounces of cold water, and so I've got that in there. Now what we're going to do is 2 scoops of your wild berry protein beverage mix. I love this stuff. It is so convenient and so good at stopping hunger. Very satisfying and so yummy. We have this flavor, and we also have this in a peach mango, which I have a couple surprises for you on that one coming up too. So remember to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos when we get them posted. Amazing recipes just like this. Now your protein drink mix, I'm going to use 1 scoop of the protein drink mix today, actually a scoop and a half. So there's 1 and a half based on my protein numbers. And now all there is to do is shake this up, and guys, it is so delicious. That's literally all there is to it. Like I said, you guys, hunger stopping snack, tastes nice and sweet, 0 sugars though, so it really helps you stay on track with your whole Herbalife weight loss plan. And I'm just gonna pour this in the glass. Of course you can drink it right out of the shaker cup too. It literally tastes exactly like those red suckers with the Tootsie Roll in the middle. Enjoy.